All right, guys, so we have done these before, and I've digitized them before with other shops, but today we're gonna do it in our own CNC. All right, guys, so this is the Lamborghini port. Look how crazy it looks. This thing is going to make 3,500 horsepower. One last look at the OEM and then the HeadGames port. Hey guys, we're back for part 2 of our Lamborghini series. So make sure if you haven't seen it, check out part 1 where I hand ported it. I showed you a little bit of it in the beginning of this video, and I hand ported it, I sanded it, and now it's ready to digitize. So Matt's gonna stick it in the CNC, he's gonna probe it, he's gonna make a tool path out of that, and then we're gonna cut it and we're gonna show you the final product. So make sure you keep watching. All right, now that it's digitized, it's time to start cutting. Now that the head's been cut in the CNC, it's gonna get blended, and then we're gonna put GSC bronze guides in it. Now that the guides are installed, it's time for valve job. Now the valve job is super important. It's not just stick any old cut in there. It has to be something that works for that cylinder head. Look at them intake ports, looking sexy, just looking delicious. Matt got the features in here. He got my divider, he got my fin, he got everything. I mean, this is what I'm talking about, getting some good stuff. And I am really, really happy. Now, I'm not gonna talk about flow numbers with this thing because, well, there's reasons why. We're just gonna have to leave it at that. Let's take a look at the exhaust port, and this is what I'm talking about. You see how the exhaust port is blended. Look at the bronze GSC guides. Then you'll see that this port is not blended in all the way. And this is why I was worried about doing the combustion chambers on this, because it's a casting. As you can see, like those three are the same, and then you have this one different. It didn't clean up there. How is that possible? CNCs are supposed to be the super accurate. Well, that would be if the part itself was super accurate, and this is a casting. And because they're castings, they are not accurate. These things are very inaccurate. Actually, every one of them is a snowflake. So you will have instances where some ports clean up and some don't. Combustion chambers, not done. Just like we talked about, this thing will make big jam without the combustion chamber done. Here I gotta blend some stuff in because, well, this particular head had a mishap, and now I gotta blend the chamber in. I gotta match that, which is no big deal. And you know, it says DB blend. Well, fun fact, around the shop, my name is Donna Beth. And just so everybody knows that, yeah, that's the thing. So when I worked for Musi, my name was Big Head, and that's how we came up with HeadGames. And now I am Donna Beth at my own. And just remember, guys, that a valve job is not just a valve job. It's actually the most crucial area of any cylinder head, and the Lamborghini is another one, because a lot of people are going to put the wrong size valve in that, and it's possible they put the wrong valve job in it, and it's just going to hurt it. But they're not going to know it because they don't flow it, and they just do instead of know. But that's for a totally different episode. That's actually for next week. So next week, what we're gonna do is, now that this head's ready for mill, it's ready for assembly, and I am gonna show the parts. I'm gonna show you why that we put those parts in there, and that is all. So make sure you guys subscribe. If you haven't already, hit that notification button because you're gonna wanna watch that. Toodles.
HeadGames!